Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, all praise is to Allah. You must say alhamdulillah to thank Almighty Allah for every breath that I take, for every move that I make. I always thank Allah. I say alhamdulillah for giving me strength when I'm weak, for give me hope when life seems bleak. I always thank Allah. I say alhamdulillah, 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 all praise is to Allah. You must say alhamdulillah to thank Almighty Allah for the roof above my head, for my family and my friends. I always thank Allah. I say alhamdulillah for showing me the good and the bad, for cheering me up when I'm sad. I always